2013 XC90. It's the Volvo. Okay, the first thing, you come in the car and then put the key on position, and on position you will see you see that time for, okay, that's maintaining, time to be change oil, but I just did oil change, so I'm going to reset that piece. Okay, so the first thing, take ignition off, on, off, and press and hold this button, and ignition on. Sorry, I got only one hand, so okay, I hold down, press and hold, and okay, they're blinking right there, and then I release it. I already release it. Okay, turn it off and then turn it on. Okay, you remember a few minutes ago right there the maintaining lights on, but right now let me start the car. Okay, starting the car, maintaining light not show up. Okay, that's so easy way, right? Let me tell you one more time, that's a repeat. Okay, take out your key and then press and hold this button, and then ignition on, press and hold, and then the central, the triangle one, it may blinking. When the time blinking, you have to release your hand. That's it. So your oil reset will be done. Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.